Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over 5 freestyle combo tricks that you can use to impress your friends. Before we get into them, what is a combo in freestyle juggling? A combo is combining 2 or more tricks with no touch in between. Let's take Touzani Around the World for instance. It's combining an outside around the world and a crossover with no touch in between. That's a combo. Before we learn these 5 tricks, you'll want to have mastered 5 fundamental tricks, and I went over them in a previous video. I'll link it above. Go ahead and watch that video to learn the inside around the world, outside around the world, the crossover, the reverse crossover, and the hop the world. Let's get right into the video. First up, we have Touzani Around the World. It's combining an outside around the world with a crossover. Next one up is Homie Touzani Around the World. So we're combining an outside around the world and a hop the world. No touch in between. Alright, this next one is called a Mitch Around the World. It's combining an inside around the world with a crossover. Homie Mitch Around the World. It's combining an inside around the world with a hop the world. No touch in between.